Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm like this because I've not done it before. This is my first time of talking camera, like talking to my phone. Is it? Yeah, to camera like this. I've not done it before on YouTube. Actually, I have a YouTube channel which I'm monetized already. But that particular channel is faceless YouTube channel. This channel, I'll be talking about how to grow on your channel, because that particular one, what I did there, hey God, I'm somebody that, okay, let me just put it this way. That particular channel, I'm monetized there, but the truth is I don't normally look at this niche I want to go into now, like how to grow on YouTube channel. That's basically what I want to be talking about. So before I got monetized on that channel, which is faceless YouTube channel, I don't used to look at all those videos, like all those videos how to get monetized, like which I'm about to start now, how to get monetized, how to increase your watch hour, I don't normally look at it. I just do my own thing. I just upload. That's how I do. So basically that's what I want to be doing right now. I want to use what I did to get monetized that period, how I do my things, what I normally do, because use ChatGPT. That's what I normally use, even for my description for is faceless YouTube channel now. So I would tell ChatGPT to write a script for me and use my voice, then use AI voice to do everything. That's how I normally do it. But for me to now say, okay, I'm not getting view, let me go just check online how to get, I don't do that. That particular channel, I don't do it. But before I go monetized, oh God. So actually, I'll be sharing all that my experience here, what I did to grow, what like the steps, how I put my description, I put my thumbnail, all those things, all those methods. It comes from my head. So I will be guiding you on how to do all those things, how I did it, how I got monetized that particular channel. That's what I will be teaching you. Is it teaching? No, that's what I'll be talking about here, because we are friends now. So that's what I'll be sharing here. Don't mind me. Oh, this is my first time of doing this. So in fact, this video self, hi God, I've tried, like I've done several ones. I've checked. The truth is I've checked online how to not shy, how to be able to face camera, how to be able to talk freely, and some are even saying that some people normally use teleprompter, or what's it called? I was even actually, maybe I should try that, which I tried it, but I can't. Like, I will not be reading from the screen and looking up. I don't actually like it. So eventually I was like, okay, let me just be myself, let me just do my thing. I pray people will accept me like that. So that's why, please don't look at my hair, because this hair, how should I put it? This hair is just like it's natural hair. So I try to do this. I try to like create video, but it has just been like, how can I talk on camera? Like I will do it. I will see myself like, hey, I'm not talking well. I didn't do this well. The way I talk, the way I do this, it's just somehow to me. So trying to cut it off, like I will not upload it. So I just decide today, like today is the day. Anyhow, I will not even think about my hair. I will upload like that. Let me upload like that. I think that's what people normally say, that just to do it, just upload it. So I'm here to encourage you you want to start your YouTube channel, you want to start like me, like beginner like me, let's do it together, let's grow together. Just to do it. If you are shy, please don't be shy. Just to, like, as far as you have a phone that you are using to watch me now, I'm using my Android. I don't have iPhone. I don't have money for iPhone right now, so I'm using my Redmi 10A. That's what I'm using. I'm using it to shoot like that. Then I'm using this one. That's all. Sometimes you can. It's not compulsory actually for you to use this mic. You can use your phone like that. As far as you know, the voice is still better. You are hearing it very well. And you are in a silent environment. You are not in a crowded place where people are talking like that. So, as far as when you record, hearing your voice clearly, please use it like that. Just upload like that. Let's grow together. This Nigeria is not easy. Let's do something. Let's do something, please. So doing this, like, you can see me. I'm just my own. I'm just doing my thing. I don't know. So I don't know if I'm anything you want to say, please just comment. I'm still shy. I'm just trying to free myself, but I'll be sharing with you how to grow on your YouTube channel. So if you are interested in such topic, if you want to increase your views, if you want to get monetized on time, if you want to get subscribers, if you want to get that watch hour on time, all those things, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. I'll be sharing tips. I'll be sharing how to grow, what to do, the method you can use, how to put your description, how to put your thumbnail. I'll be sharing that method with you here. So subscribe to my channel, please. So I'm a Yoruba girl. I'm Yinka by name. So subscribe to my channel. I beg. Biko. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. And actually, I'll try to be uploading almost every day. I will try. I think they said uploading every day is good. Yeah, it is good for new beginner like me. I'm a new beginner here. So I will try to upload every day so that we can grow together. You'll be seeing me growing, and you too, you will be growing. I'll be sharing tips with you, what I do. I'm growing. I do this thumbnail. I do that. I put the description. I'll be sharing it with you. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm saying it all over again. Subscribe. Thank you.